There are many quality systems available for use in manufacturing environments. FactoryLogix stands apart because it is built on CAD intelligence. Quality inspectors are able to quickly input data on an intelligent visual of the product, rather than text input. It enables intelligent mapping of suspected defects back to the detailed elements of the product design for continuous improvement. FactoryLogix also drives the redirection of the non-conforming product into user-configured routes for rework and repair. When the unit is scanned into a rework station, the product image includes clear indicators where rework needs to be performed. Operators conduct their work and clear the non-conformances as they go. No paper, no stickers, no markers. All the while, everything is tracked, traced, and controlled, delivering superior data input and analytical results thereafter.